Europass, opening doors to work and training in Europe. Welcome to the video tutorials channel of Europass Spain. In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to import and export Europass curriculums to the EURES Employment Search Network and vice versa. In our webpage, we refer to this as interoperability. Interoperability is a functionality that the CEDIFOP has implemented so that any company may easily develop a module to import or export curriculums in the Europass format to their curriculums database. For individuals, the advantage of this system means that they can simplify the management of their curriculum. All they have to do is fill it in Europass, and thereafter they will be able to import it to any other platform that uses the interoperability module provided by CEDIFOP. For example, the EURES employment portal uses this functionality. Anyone who has a Europass curriculum can register in the portal and import their Europass curriculum, and all their data will be sent to the application without their having to reintroduce all the information. Companies will have a unique format with information that is unified at the European level, including data as to the skills acquired by the individuals that they can access in an easy way. All the curriculums will have the same format and will be easy to compare. Let's see how it works. If I already have a Europass curriculum, I can save time and effort when I'm looking for a job in Europe using the EURES network by clicking on the box that says Share in the Europass curriculum. This action sends my curriculum to EURES. In order for that platform to receive it, I have to be registered. I do so by entering EURES and creating a personal account that requires certain personal data. Once you have shared your curriculum by clicking on the orange share box that you will see to the right of the Europass curriculum editor, all you have to do is click on where it says Import your curriculum to finish completing your curriculum. And now it's all ready so that your search for a job can begin as soon as possible. If you have a EURES curriculum but you are interested in it appearing in Europass because European institutions are asking you for it, it's even easier. All you have to do is click on the box that says Europass, as you can see in the next screen. Once a candidate has filled in all the fields of the curriculum, he or she can convert it to a curriculum in the Europass format and download it in PDF, OpenOffice, Word or XML format.